One little sun shining high and bright, all alone but full of light. He learns to glow, he learns to gleam, spreading warmth, his golden dreams.
Two twins in a canoe. Two twins rowing side by side, splash and giggle on the tide. Left and right, they laugh and play, adventure time on the lake today. Three trees secret.
Three tall trees in the morning dew whisper secrets just for you.
Rustle, shimmer, sway in tune, telling tales beneath the moon.
Four green frogs go hip and hop, through the forest never stop. Croak and sing, with joy they play, solving mysteries all the way.
Ooh. Five fireflies, night party, twinkly and upbeat.
Five fireflies light the night, blink and sparkle, oh what a sight. Dancing dots that shine so bright, parting games till the setting sun.
Six seals at sea. Six silly seals splash in the sea, rolling, diving, full of glee. Clapping fins and having fun, playing games till the setting sun. Seven stars in the sky, dreamy and twinkly in the sky. Learning how to shine so bright, together they twirl, together they gleam, making the sky a sparkling dream. Eight eggs, snug in a cozy nest, waiting for their flying test. Crack and chirp, a happy sound, little wings flutter all around. Nine new neighbors move next door, welcome smiles and so much more. Building friendship hand in hand, together we play in Adventureland.
And brave turtles on a trip, marching slow, drip, drop, drip. Across the river, green and wide, adventures waiting on the other side.
1, 2, 3, come sing along. 4 and 5, the fun is strong. 6, 7, 8, we clap and cheer. 9 and 10, adventures here. Numbers, friends, and stories grand. Welcome to Numbers Adventure Land.